Hey, how you doing? This is Jason here, one of the co-founders on how to move to Thailand. And today we are finally proud to announce our three amazing tools that we created that we truly believe it's going to be a game changer going forward. And we're on a big mission to helping well over 1,000 expats and digital nomads. So let's get into kind of like the quick details on these tools. So our first tool that we created was an ebook, right? And this is not just any ebook. This is a truly comprehensive tool ebook from anywhere from A to Z, breaking things down from a practical standpoint, from someone who has lived here for actually well over 9 years. So not information or people who are just in and out of Thailand, people who have, who have dealt with these experiences, who've dealing with these experiences, and people who are actually thriving in Thailand. So we created a tool to help you thrive financially, the best way to kind of set yourself up for a great lifestyle and more of a realistic lifestyle. So check it out. We truly believe it's going to be helpful. Two, we created a tool for people trying to figure out, because they say to us all the time, how much does it really cost to live in Thailand? I'm hearing so much information. Oh, you just need X amount of money and then you just book your ticket and you're on your way. That is not realistic. Most people who actually do that, they actually end up just going back home because they created a pipe dream that's not realistic. So we created a tool that helps to break down the lifestyle for us, groceries, cost for rent, whether you're in Bangkok, Chiang Mai, or Phuket, cost of the insurance. I mean, you name it. It is comprehensive and a game changer. So look at it as your personal assistant. You just kind of click off, okay, I'm gonna be staying here. I will be needing this. I will be needing that. And it kind of break down the cost for you. You duplicate it. You own that information. We do not see it, but we created it to kind of guide you through it. This tool is gonna help you. And lastly, it's gonna kind of break down how much you need saved, right? You hear that right? How much you need saved. This tool is definitely gonna help you to take take the stress out and the anxiety. Lastly, that we need to get into the 90-day reporting. I deal with it on a consistent basis. I'm trying to figure out, when do I need to do reporting. I write things down or try to create reminders. I find myself, I'm past due and I get fined in immigration. So we came up with an email tool that will actually remind you, give you 3 reminders beforehand. So either you need to go in person or you need to report online. So we came up with a system, truly game changer, and we hope this is going to help to solve a lot of headaches. Just a disclaimer, we're not affiliated with any agencies or things like that. We just created an email reminder to help people like such as self as foreigners to kind of guide the system. And we hope these tools is a game changer. We look forward to your feedback. And I hope this was truly helpful. And we'll see you soon in Lands of Smiles. Bye for now.